What's going on, OC fam? In today's video, I'm gonna make habichuelas guisado, Puerto Rican style stewed beans. So, you know what to do. Like, share, comment below. Any questions, any suggestions, any opinions. For all my new subscribers, subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified of my next video. So, until next time, OC fam, enjoy. These are the ingredients: calabasa. Then some sofrito. This is homemade. You can make it homemade, or you can buy the store-bought. It's Goya or whatever kind you use. We're gonna have 2 cans of pinto bean, a little bit of cumin, 2 bay leaves, some sazón. If you don't know what this is, it's a seasoning packet. It comes with cilantro and annatto for coloring, and Puerto Ricans, we use a lot of this. And we also use what we're going to use today for the beans, adobo. This is like pretty much an all-purpose seasoning. This one is with pepper. They come without pepper. They come with cumin. This is the original, and it doesn't have cumin in it, but you can buy it with cumin. And you can also buy it seasoned with lemon spices and other spices. It comes in all kinds. And we're going to use some chicken broth for our beans. So first we're gonna start off by this pumpkin. It's like a quarter of a pumpkin. They sell it in the supermarket in pieces. And we are going to fish out all these seeds. I'm gonna cut them like this first, and then I'm gonna peel off what's in the back that we don't need. We got our oil in there, a tablespoon. So let's add this sofrito too. Yes. We're going to add this packet of sazón, just one, not both. And we're going to stir it. And just let it cook for 1 minute. That's the sofrito, the sazón, and the oil. And it's warming up. We are going to add a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. I know I didn't show you the tomato sauce earlier because I'm not using canned tomato sauce because I don't have oregano either. So I'm using this marinara. It's simply tomato sauce and oregano. This is what I use as a substitute. It's actually pretty good. It doesn't add any different flavors to it, and it just works for me. I like it. So when I don't have tomato sauce or oregano, this is what I do. So I mean, it's up to you if you want to do this. So a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. You're gonna add all the seasonings in right now. You're gonna save the beans and the pumpkin for last. So the tomato sauce goes in. A half a teaspoon of cumin is going to go in also. 2 bay leaves. I don't know, for some reason I like to use whole bay leaves. I hate it when I see a broken bay leaf. It just doesn't feel right to me. And the adobo is for taste. So you're just gonna add, just sprinkle a little bit, as much as you like to your taste. I put about 1/4 teaspoon in there. So we're going to stir it. Make sure everything is combined. You can smell it when you start. I love the way this starts to smell. And so the chicken broth instead of water. You're gonna add 2 cups of chicken broth. I kind of wish I had the ham now, because this would be so delicious. These little bowls I said earlier is about a cup. So I'm gonna do 2 of these. It's a soup bowl. And then you can add the pumpkin now, because the beans are already cooked. So, you know, you really want the pumpkin to get cooked the most. Like, they gotta be soft when you finish, when the beans are finished. And I'm gonna stir it a little bit. I'm opening the can of beans because they're not open. You can taste if you want, which I'm going to do. Oh, shit. It's great. It's just perfect. Oh, shoot. That's the first. I've never had that happen to me before. In here, I'm going to let this boil. I'm gonna cover it, let it boil, and then after it boils, we are going to reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just stir it, make the last stir, make sure everything is well combined. Okay, let's cover and wait till it boils. Okay, so the beans are boiling, as you can see, and I'm going to reduce the heat to low, and we're gonna let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, y'all, so these beans are simmering. It's been a little bit over 30 minutes, but it's okay. You taste them. If it's to your taste, then you're gonna turn them off. I'm fine with the way they taste. I'm turning them off. And this is it. Habichuelas guisado, Puerto Rican style beans, calabasa. Like, share, subscribe, y'all. Comment below for any questions, any comments. And don't forget, push that notification button to be notified of my next video. Till next time, y'all.